Thursday, November the 6th, 6/28. Deus 2 HF2 Coil. Version 310. We will compare a competitor's unit here, the Manticore, with the M8 Coil. Now, disclaimer here, I have showed both of these machines and I have admitted there is some different coil size involved here, okay? This coil is longer heel to toe, and that coil is a little wider, I believe, left to right. I don't make them, boys. I just show them. You see that bottle cap? You see that ring right there? You know, them old bottle caps with these multi-frequency detectors with this bottle cap reject. Undoubtedly, there's been some gold rings and other shit left inside, huh? Whereas people using single frequency back in the day were digging bottle caps, and hence they might find that. All right. There is a distinct difference here in these two machines, I believe, on this scenario here. We're in a sensitive program, speed 2.5, 29 kilohertz. Channel 0. Now, offset for full tones is 8. We are running bottle caps at level 2. Let's say you were using this as your hunt program. 89 kilohertz is in channel 0. Silencers 2 in both of these. Frequency max channel 6. There's no bottle cap in this 89. You see that? So we're out and we're hunting. You hear that? You hear that gold ring in there? You see that ID? Now that coil, but there's about 2 inches over that gold ring. Okay, 2 inches. We'll come from back here. You notice we're getting some signal there. Well, maybe we're not. Maybe a little. You see out there the ID. We don't have any signal there. We got signal there. Back over here. So I've got that old bottle, I've got that gold ring in there. I'm transitioning. I've located the target. You hear it clearly. 89 kilohertz. See what that ID does? Okay. Now the bottle cap, if we hover it 89 kilohertz, listen. You hear that? Don't sound like that, does it? Different ball game. Back to the hunt program. 29 kilohertz. Clear to hear that gold ring, can't you, boys? That is full tones. Okay. We're going to turn this camera away. I'll just leave the camera run. Deus 2 going off. Manticore coming on. Here's all-terrain general. Speed 7. We'll look at it first. Now I've got some lower Ferris limits in the machine. Upper Ferris limits 8. Lower Ferris limits are 4. That's speed 7. So this is what you got. 2 inches above. You You see that screen? That's what you get to hear. I'm hovering the bottle cap. I'm hovering the gold ring. Okay? Let the lower Ferris limits down to 3. I'm hovering the bottle cap. That's what you got in the screen. 2 inches above. Alright. That was all-terrain general. Here's all-terrain low conductors. Speed 6. Okay, I got lower Ferris limits dialed to 8. Or 4, I'm sorry. Listen. I'm hovering the bottle cap. I'm hovering that gold ring. Sweep. Okay. Here's lower Ferris limits 2. That's the bottle cap. Ain't helping much, is it? Up lower Ferris limits 3. All-terrain low conductors. There's the bottle cap. So a sweep through there. From about equal distance, I was sweeping that coil right there. Okay? Lower Ferris limits 4. I'm hovering the bottle cap. You see what I got in the screen? You get to hear the audio on that machine. We'll turn it back to normal. That was enhanced, you heard. Profile simple. One region, all tones. Okay. Lower Ferris limits number 3. That's the bottle cap. So a sweep through there. Okay. Lower Ferris limits 4. Can't tell much about that, can you? Lower Ferris limits 2. That's the bottle cap. I'm hovering the bottle cap right now, 2 inches above. Okay. Cover speed 7. Hover that gold ring, you see down there, hover the bottle cap. So that's a sweep right there, speed 7. Lower Ferris limits number 2, here's lower Ferris limits number 3, speed 7. That's the bottle cap. Right there, there's the ring. Alright, I'm going to turn this camera off. I want to fire this machine back up here. Camera back on. 29 kilohertz again. Bottlecap 2 channel 0 multi-frequency. About the same height I swept that machine right over there, boys. Listen. I'm hovering that bottle cap. I'm hovering that gold ring in that camera. I've got 51 in a meter. Alright. You see my ID there? I've located the target. I transitioned 89 kilohertz. see that ID coming up. Now, disclaimer, I'm not going to show it. That machine there, if I get the call out here, just like this machine here, I get detection, okay? You see the ID on that ring? You see the ID on that ring now. Okay? Now, let's see if I can find this here. Maybe I can't find it. Let me turn this camera off. Camera back on. That gold ring ain't moved, boys and girls. But it's fixing to be. We're going to trade it out for the old zinc and the penny. Look at there. You see that? You see the size relation there? What happens now with the old HF2 coil? 29 killers, the same exact settings you just saw me sweep. So I've got about a 93 on the window there. I'm going to hover. It's 91. That's the 29 kilohertz band channel 0. We're going to the 89 kilohertz 2.5, but there's no bottle cap in this. So I've got 99 in the meter there. You hear that bottle cap in that 89 kilohertz? You hear that coin? We're putting the gold ring back. Okay. See what we're in here. 89 kilohertz. You hear that ring? That's no bottle cap. 89 kilohertz channel 6. A sweep. Hear that nuance right there? So you could probably find that gold ring with this machine running 89 kilohertz and locate it with no bottle cap. How about that shit? Listen. You would have strong suspicion that's a bottle cap or a bullshit target, and you've got a non-ferrous target there. You see the ID? Change the 29 kilohertz band. I've got two-way signal. I hover it. Look what the ID does. Just out of curiosity here, let's slide that can slaw in there. Now, let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm back to the 29 kilohertz band with bottle cap reject at 2. Okay. We've got a non-ferrous target. Two-way signal, 89 kilohertz band. Bottle cap. See the ID on that target. 29 kilohertz band. Getting a little bit of rise on that on the 89 kilohertz with that bottle cap there. You see that? Getting a little rise on that, okay? But that could be partly because of its size. Let's try this bigger piece here. See what happens. That's folded up twice. Okay. 29 kilohertz band. 65. Not too much rise on that one. Okay, but to be able to hear that gold ring coming through here like this at 29 kilohertz, and to hear it with even the 89 kilohertz with the nuance on the bottle cap,